Okay, so for today's idea, I've modified the beep test slightly. Very quickly, what I'm going to do is, instead of a 20-metre run, it's going to be a 10-metre run. It looks like it's not very far away. The mark is about 5 metres away from the bar. Okay, so for today's activity, I'm going to do the beep test, modified it slightly. So instead of a 20-metre run, it's going to be a 10-metre run. 10-metre run and a chin-up heave at the end of each beep. I'm going to see how far I can get. So, as always, let's fast forward, if you're watching this on Instagram, to see how far I can go. Or watch this on YouTube for the whole clip.
Ah, durka durka durka.
The multi-stage fitness test will start in 5 seconds. Ready.
Start level 1, 1. Level 1, 2. Level 1, 3. Level 1, 4. Level 1, 5. Level 1, 6. Level 1, 7. Start level 2, 1. Level 2, 2. Level 2, 3. Level 2, 4. Level 2, 5. Level 2, 6. Level 2, 7. Level 2, 8. Start level 3, 1.
Oh boy.
Level 3, 2. Level 3, 3. Level 3, 4. Level 3, 5. Level 3, 6. Level 3, 7. Level 3, 8. Start level 4, 1. Level 4, 2. Level 4, 3. Level 4, 4. Level 4, 5. Level 4, 6. Level 4, 7. Level 4, 8. Level 4, 9. Start level 5, 1. Level 5, 2. Level 5, 3. Level 5, 4. Level 5, 5. Level 5, 6. Level 5, 7. Level 5. Level 5, 9. Start level 6, 1. Level 6, 2.
Oh no!
Level 6, 3.
6-2.
Level 6, 4.
Easy. I recommend this for everybody. It's easy.
Level 6, 5.
Good times. Have a great day.